Welcome back. If you've ever wondered why words like bird, turn, word, learn, and first all sound so similar even though they're spelled differently, you're not imagining it. Today, we're going to uncover another secret of English pronunciation called R-controlled vowels. This is one of the most useful pronunciation patterns you'll ever learn. Although they're all pretty useful, aren't they? But because once you understand it, hundreds of English words suddenly become much easier to pronounce and recognize. As always, we'll learn this in 4 steps. Hear it, see it, feel it, practice it. So let's begin. Hear it. First, listen carefully. Bird, turn, word, learn, first, were, nurse, earth. Noticing something? The vowel letters are different. Some use IR, some use UR, some use ER, some use EAR, and some use OR in certain accents. But they all produce a very similar sound because the letter R changes the vowel that comes before it. Instead of hearing the vowel by itself, you hear a blended sound. Now compare these words. Bird, beard, full, fur, cot, curt, bed, bird. Can you hear how the R completely changes the vowels? See it. Now let's look for the pattern. When a vowel is followed by the letter R, the R often takes control of the vowel sound. That's why we call it R-controlled vowels. Look at these groups. Bird, girl, first, shirt, turn, burn, nurse, purple, word, work, world, learn, earth, heard. Different spellings, remarkably similar pronunciations. English leaves clues. Once you know what to look for, these words stop feeling random. Okay, feel it. Now let's pay attention to your mouth. R-controlled vowels are different from the vowels we've already learned because your tongue moves back slightly and curls upward toward the roof of your mouth without touching it. Don't touch it. Your lips stay relaxed and the R blends with the vowel into one smooth sound. Try saying Now say bird, turn, word, learn, first. Don't separate the vowel from the R. Think of them as one sound working together. Now, common mistakes. A mistake I hear quite often is learners trying to pronounce each letter separately. For example, and I'll give it a try, I can't do it very well. Someone might pronounce bird as beard or as turn. See, I'm not good at it. Native speakers don't separate the sounds that way. That's why I'm not good at it. We blend them together into one smooth R-controlled vowel. Okay, so another common mistake is making a different sound for every spelling. Remember, the spelling changes much more than the pronunciation does. So we're going to practice it. Here we go. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Bird, girl, first, shirt, turn, burn, nurse, purple, word, work, world, learn, earth, herd. Perfect. Now, let's compare a few words. Bird, beard, full, fur, cot, curt, bed, bird. Can you hear how the R completely changes the vowel? Today's detective challenge. Today, you're an R detective. Every time you see a vowel followed by the letter R, stop for a moment and ask yourself, is this an R-controlled vowel? Which spelling pattern is it using? Can I hear the blended sounds instead of separate sounds? The more you notice these patterns, the more confident your pronunciation will become. Okay, so time for our 1 minute practice. Again, it won't take a minute because I speak faster than that. You can pause it at any time if you need to. Let's finish with our 1 minute pronunciation practice. Repeat after me. Bird, girl, first, shirt, turn, burn, nurse, purple, word, work, world, learn, earth, herd, person, service, early, 30, journey. Perfect. Now repeat these sentences. The bird is sitting in the tree. Please turn to the first page. She learned a new word today. The nurse arrived early. Practice every day and your pronunciation will improve. Fantastic. Today you learned that the letter R has the power to change the vowel that comes before it. Once you recognize R-controlled vowels, you'll hear them everywhere in spoken English. In our next lesson, we'll explore diphthongs and discover why some English vowel sounds actually move while you're saying them. That's a diphthong, right? Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing your confidence one conversation at a time. If you'd like more conversation practice with me, contact me at EnglishTogetherHub.com and we can practice English together.